Musamseleku said you will go to Mangwawe's mother to apologize for what he did to marry the fifth wife. Musamseleku promised Mangwawe's mother that your daughter is going to be the last wife. He is not going to marry another wife. But Musamseleku changes this decision and marry Makwela. That's why Musamseleku want to go directly and apologize and humble himself. Even he did it again to Mayeni. Musamseleku didn't send anyone to Mayeni's parents. We saw Musamseleku at Mayeni's home. He was with Mayeni's father and go and have a conversation with Mayeni's sisters. And he want to fix things with Mayeni. That's why Musamseleku didn't send anyone. But when it comes to Makumalo, we saw Musamseleku send people to Makumalo's family. He want to fix things. Musamseleku and Makumalo's father, they were too close because Makumalo's father was working for Musamseleku. Why Musamseleku sent people to Makumalo's father? Because when it comes to Mayeni and Mangwabe, he want to go directly. Musamseleku doesn't show that he want to fix things with Makumalo. That's why Makumalo didn't take his apology serious, because he want that apology to pass. Musamseleku, if you want to fix things with Makumalo, Musamseleku is like a son to Makumalo's father. Makumalo's father is very open. Maybe that's why Musamseleku was too disrespectful to Makumalo, because Makumalo's father was working for Musamseleku. Musamseleku didn't respect them at all. That's why he sent people. He doesn't want to fix things with Makumalo. He wants Makumalo to tolerate him, to give him money. That's why Musamseleku sent people. But when it comes to Mayeni, he humble himself and go directly and talk to them. So people, we have to see the different. Even people, we have to open our eyes and so that he doesn't want to fix things. Sometimes there is no need to blame Makumalo. That Makumalo have to understand. There is no need Makumalo to understand. That man, when it comes to Makumalo, doesn't want to fix things. If you want to fix things, you have to talk to Makumalo's sister, to Makumalo's father or Makumalo's sister, to go to Makumalo's home directly as he did. Musamseleku have a conversation with Makumalo's sisters at restaurant, or Makumalo's sister was the one who asked him to meet and talk. But Musamseleku doesn't show that he wants, even when you look the way they are discussing, Musamseleku doesn't want to fix anything with Makumalo. What I saw, Makumalo is better. I think now it's on season 10. Maybe it's better to release yourself and leave Musamseleku. I don't understand, because it's her decision now. Even Musamseleku can try to prove us wrong. What there is no need to prove wrong now, because Makumalo doesn't post him or what. Makumalo saw that he doesn't want anything to do with him. Musamseleku, he was too close to Makumalo's parents, like Mayeni's parents and Mangwabe's parents, especially Mayeni's parents. If we saw Musamseleku have a birthday last time, he was celebrating 50 years, they have a big birthday. Makumalo's parents are only people who attend his birthday. It shows respect that your in-laws attend your birthday, but at end he doesn't respect them at all. Musamseleku, he doesn't respect them at all. Those in-laws he respect, because Musamseleku give respect to Mayeni's parents. Mayeni's parents, they didn't attend Musamseleku's birthday. Even Musamseleku say about it. But when it comes to respect, because it shows, that when your husband loves you, he respects your parents. But when you saw your husband doesn't love you, he doesn't care about your parents, what they are saying. That's why Musamseleku said on television, or everyone was listening, that he is not going to stop fighting with Makumalo. How her parents, they watch Utando Nestembo season 9. They saw their in-law. Musamseleku didn't come to them and apologize, but they saw him directly. Musamseleku want to shoot the content. Maybe he want to fix Makumalo and their family, that I will go to apologize to Mayeni directly. And it shows that he loves other Mayeni a lot because he go directly at Mayeni's home, but he sent people to Makumalo's, and he was expecting that Makumalo's father can understand very easy.